Hello everyone, today we'll be making this origami snake. We'll be specially using two-sided paper so that we can differentiate between the scales and the body of the snake. So first we're going to fold the paper into a triangle. First phase of this video is going to be making introductory steps so that the second phase goes easily. Then we're going to open it and fold into a triangle again from the opposite side this time. Then we are going to open it. Now till the midline we are going to stretch the paper and make a triangle. From the other side as well, so we'll be repeating a lot of steps from both the sides. This video is a little long, but it is a very simple process to make it. There are no complicated steps at all, just that the scale needs time to make and very easy folds. Now again we're going to fold it from midline, double it up. Same with the opposite side now. Now we are again going to double it up again, or maybe treble it up again now. Make sure you only go till the midline, because if you go over it, then it's going to be trouble folding it into half later on. Now we're going to open the entire thing up, so the first phase is over now. Look at the number of folds we have made. So we're going to turn the paper over and step by step go over the folds in a zigzag pattern, just like you do with that fan when we make a wind fan. We're going to do this till the midline. So for this to happen easily, make sure the previous folds are really nice and deep, so that the paper folds automatically on its own. Okay, now the other side till the midline. I have fastened the video up here a bit. You can pause and continue. Patience is the key in origami. And we have a very good scale pattern over here. If the squares are uneven over here, there is some problem in your fold, so you might want to do that again. Now we're going to fold the paper in such a way that the 2.5 squares are covered, and we're going to fold this backwards. This is going to be the neck of the snake. If it's too big, it will not balance on its own and fall down. And now we are going to fold this up. It's called a mountain fold, by the way. Now we are going to do an inside reverse fold. So the earlier folds we made, let the folds do their own work, and push the neck inside. Pinch the place where the fold was earlier made, okay, and then just cover it up. So the main part's over now, just the snake's head is left and making the design of the body. So that it's a little zigzag. So we're going to fold the head like that and do an inside reverse fold. Just like that, we have the head now. Now to make the zigzag fold, we are going to take every square, every triangle of the same color and turn it into half. So first side we go right, then the second green triangle will go left. Oh sorry, white over here. And then back again. And we have our origami snake ready with us. Pretty simple folds, right? I think there was only one complicated fold, which was the neck. Otherwise, this is quite simple. You can make eyes so that it'll look good. If you like the video, subscribe.